Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. What's up? What's up? What's up? I wanted to show you this, how to do this. Online trading. I'm in my back office, one of my back offices. You will see your money here. Should be 0064 in yours. So I'm going to show you how to buy. So I go back to online trading, back to the front page. And then I'm going to go to new order. And you see it's 0.0064. So that's what you should have. That changes based on the price of Bitcoin. So I want to buy. So I'm going to click quantity, what I want, how much I want. I want one. I want one. I'm buying one. Agree. Continue. Continue. Oops, I must choose the payment method. Choose that e-wallet. It's in my e-wallet. So I continue. Process. This gives me the order, what I'm ordering. So get that. Confirm. Order has been succeeded. That's how you buy Bitcoin. Now, yes, that's how you buy Bitcoin. Now, when I go to my line, now in 7 days, that particular order, if I click Bitcoin package, let me scroll down a little bit. Down, I click Bitcoin package, the package right here. It should show by paying, it should be at the bottom, pending until it's the last order I made. It's telling me it's pending. I just did one 4 days ago. There's another one pending. That takes 7 days. But today is what's the day? The 12th? Today is the 12th. Okay, so now I guess it's 10 days. The 22nd. It used to be 7 days. Now it won't take until 10 days. This one, the 15th, the 8th, that was 7 days. I don't know why it's taking 10 days. But usually it's supposed to take 7 days. This one's taking, see how long yours is taking. This one says 10 days. That's when they'll get the investment and it'll start trading. So, as I'm doing this, I go back here and you'll see your link. That's the one you gave your son. And just all the information on, you can see the price of, I don't know if it's the price of Bitcoin. We see it on here. No. But yeah, it's just information, order history, support. If you want to get into support, your tree, personal. You'll see your son's, your name up under in your downline over here, personally sponsored. So, that's it for now. You'll see how many packages you have. It'll come in this area. And this is just one of my accounts. I have 2 of them. And that's it. So let me close it. Get with us. Get with our company and get some of that Bitcoin. It's important. I've got 19 Bitcoins in this one. I love it. 19 packages in this particular account. I love it. So let's make that money. And this is for not only you who I'm talking to, but this is for everybody who wants to get involved with making money with online trading. And we make money daily. We make money daily is what I like about it. You'll see my money. See my money in my e-wallet. This is the money I'm making. That's all the money I'm making. And it goes on and on and on. I love it. Making money daily. It's fun. Good money. So let me end this.